How's it going, YouTube Nation? This is Boss Man with Reshore Ranch Small Engine Repair, and today we are going to smoke test a 2021 Honda Rancher 420. Well, first off, before we get started, let me show you what I got going on. The smoke machine I'm going to use. It's a C4 smoke leak detector. I just want to let y'all know it comes very well packaged. Yes, I keep the boxes for everything. It comes very well packaged. This had styrofoam all around it. It has your cone for your exhausts, your bladder for intakes, even though I didn't tighten up the screw yet. Um, it comes with a 4-foot rubber hose and for your power source, alligator clips. Um, Also, I had to buy this separately, but the smoking liquid. And also with the machine, it comes with a little funnel to where you can pour your smoke, your liquid smoke into the top of the machine without spilling it. All right, I already filled the C4 smoke machine up with the liquid. Take this cap off. You pour your liquid into here. I'll turn it to the side. They have a sight glass right here with a line that goes all the way across the sight glass. Once the liquid reaches this white line, you are full. Do not overfill it. It will be a mess. Whenever you perform a smoke test, I like to let my machine warm up to where it produces the best smoke possible. My machine's already warmed up. My fluid's already filled up. So we're going to go ahead and take our bladder right here and stick in the snorkel. So I'm going to close off my valve to where my air is not going to bleed. Take my bladder, stick in the top of my snorkel. We're going to air it up to seal the intake. Okay, should be good right there. Let me take my hose, stick my fitting into the bladder's hose for the smoke output. All right, now I take my power source. Positive with positive, negative with negative. And as soon as I put my negative, you're gonna hear my machine kick on, but it will not yet start smoking. Okay, machine's kicked on. Here we go. Now, what I'm doing is as the smoke's entering the system, I'm gonna take a look at all my snorkel. Underneath the snorkel that passes underneath the fender, I got the pipe right here in my whole intake system. But I'm gonna keep on checking to see how much fluid I actually have. All right, now we're gonna start producing the smoke. All right, my fluid is still full. The smoke is getting pumped. So now I just gotta sit here and wait to see if I see a leak. So I'm gonna just keep on checking my intake with my snorkel all the way up to my air box until the system fully fills up. So that's normally whenever my fluid is completely empty. So with that word, we'll be back. Okay. So far so good up there, but I do have my first leak. It is coming from the boot that's actually connected to the airbox. Should be able to see the smoke just lingering there. So gotta fix that. Okay, we found two more leaks. One's coming from this nipple right here on the side. The other one's coming from the intake boot right underneath this RTV silicone. So I can see the moisture actually getting pushed out. Well, as y'all can see, this machine does work. I'll leave the affiliate link in the description below. Has a great price. Go check it out. I'll uh, I'll have to tighten up one hose clamp, and the other two leaks will require some RTV sealant. So I'll notify the customer, see what the customer wants to do. I'm Boss Man with Reshart Ranch Small Engine Repair, reminding you to like and subscribe. God loves you. He wants you to prosper. Go be blessed.